Hello students, today we will learn about Microsoft Windows 7. Windows has simplified the task of managing data in our computer. The data in our computer is organized in the form of files and folders. File. A file is the basic unit of storage in Windows that enables a computer to distinguish one set of information from another. When you use a program or application to do some work, you can save your work as a file on the computer by specifying a name to it. The file name consists of two main parts, the main file name and its extension. The file extension is of 3 characters. A file name extension is a set of characters that helps Windows to understand what kind of information is stored in the file and which application should open it. It is called an extension because it appears at the end of the file name, following a period. A file name can have up to 255 characters. Example, in the file name, myfile.doc, the extension is .doc. It tells Windows that this is a document file that can be opened by the program associated with that extension, such as MS Word. Folder. A folder is like a file cabinet in which you can store files. If you put thousands of paper files in someone's desk, it would be virtually impossible to find any particular file when you need it. That's why people often store paper files in folders inside a filing cabinet. Arranging files into logical groups makes it easy to locate any particular file. Folders on your computer work exactly the same way. This is what a typical folder icon looks like. The folders not only hold files, but they can also hold other folders. A folder within a folder is usually called a subfolder. You can create any number of subfolders and each can hold any number of files and additional subfolders. Folders do not have any extension. They may contain different types of files such as documents, music, pictures, videos and programs, etc. Okay, can you quickly tell which version of Windows you are using on your computer? Let us first begin with how to start Windows Explorer. We can open Windows Explorer in 2 ways. Right-click on the Start button and select Open Windows Explorer option. Or click on Start, All Programs, Accessories, and then Windows Explorer. The window of Windows Explorer is divided into 2 panes, left and right. The left pane displays the disk drives and folders in a hierarchical order. The right pane displays the contents of drive or folder that is selected in the left pane. You will find the signs placed before the disk drive or folder name. The sign indicates that a folder contains subfolders. Clicking the sign will display the subfolders inside the folder and the sign changes to sign. This process is called expanding. If you click the sign, the expanded subfolders collapse back. Let me share an interesting fact. In MS Office 2007, the width of a file extension is 4 characters. For example, .docs, .xlsx. Now students, try this out. Click on the D drive. The subfolders of D drive will be expanded in the left pane. Observe that all the subfolders are arranged alphabetically. To access the contents of any folder or file, just double-click on it. The contents of the subfolder that you have selected are displayed in the right pane. Okay, let's know more. Library is a kind of folder in Windows 7 used to manage documents, music, pictures, and other files. Now we shall find out how to view files or folders in Windows 7. Windows provides many ways to arrange and identify your files while you are viewing them. The information can be viewed in different modes by clicking on More Options drop-down arrow located on the toolbar. Small Icons View displays your files and folders as small icons without a preview of its contents. The file name is displayed next to the icon. The Medium Icon View displays the file and folders as medium-sized icons, giving you a better idea of the file content. Tiles View display files and folders as a medium-sized icons. It also displays the basic information of the file present, such as its size and type. List View List View displays the contents as a list of files or folders, names preceded by small icons. This view is useful if your folder contains many files and you want to scan the list for a file name. You can sort your files and folders in this view. Details View Details View provides detailed information about your files and folders, including name, type, size, and date modified. Large and Extra Large Icons View displays gigantic and large icons of the files and folder. These two can be very useful when working with images and video files. Content View Content displays each file and folder on a separate row along with their detailed information like date modified, size, author, etc.